So if you ever, I imagine a lot of you like to clean your vehicles up, make them look nice and clean, and your motorcycle and things like that. You ever end up with that, you got really crappy water. We really have bad water here. And it ends up having spots all over it. You can't even dry it fast enough. You got to end up putting something else on it, a cleaner, to get it cleaned up. Today, we're going to show you something that we picked up to solve that problem. So let's get to it today. Got a couple vehicles here we're going to clean up. They're a little dirty. Hopefully you can see all this in here. This is from the bad water that we have. We just picked something up to eliminate this without it scrubbing it or putting spray on it and wiping it all down. It just doesn't work. So let's get to it, and we're going to show you what we end up doing. We got it all rinsed off. You can see that it's not there anymore. We're going to go ahead and dry it, and we'll show you what the finished product is, and then we'll show you what cool thing we just picked up. Worked out really good. It dried as we were working along it, and there really wasn't hardly any spots to deal with. The windows came out really clean. We just used the regular old, what do they call those cloths? Microfiber is all we used. So hey, there's no spots on it. Everything turned out really good. And we're going to be doing the other vehicle here. Here's the fine thing we got, and we'll talk a little bit about it at the end. So stay tuned and keep watching what we got going on. Taking a look at the truck, it didn't take us very much time to dry it all off and get it all wiped down. And because last time we did this a couple of weeks ago, it probably was about a 3 or 4 hour project trying to get all the water spots off. So we ended up having to use some bug slide. We also got some of the Boss Hoss spray put on there to get all the stupid water spots off. So they're all gone. And now we're going to tell you a little bit about the product that we got. It's called Spotless. It's a filtering system. A lot of people might want to use salt water. You don't want to use that. You don't want to use any kind of that because that'll spot too. This is non-drinkable water. But the chemicals that are in here, you can spray it on. You really don't even have to really dry it off. If you look out here, our family truckster, we didn't spend a whole lot of time wiping it down because it's so old. But it's looking pretty good too. How easy was it?
It was pretty easy. It looks much better than it did before in the past.
And how many hours do you think we spent on the first time we did it?
Oh, it was a long time. Probably half the day, it seemed like.
And here, probably just like an hour, we did both vehicles.
That's right. So it was nice and warm. I'm sweaty.
Just got done washing the Ranger, and you can already see there's no spots on it. I ended up rinsing it with the special water. So hey, this is probably if you want to be someone that does this at home and clean all your own vehicles, your bike and all that, and don't want to have to work so hard, you got to get one of these things. I should have bought this 20 years ago. We're going to give you some information on it. If you decide you want to get this, they're giving a $25 discount off the machine. And we get $25 for everybody we refer. And the cartridges run, they say it's about 200 gallons, 200 to 300 gallons, depending on how bad your water is. Our water is pretty bad, so it's about 200 gallons. It's got a little meter on there that kind of keeps track for you to tell you when it's time to change the filters and stuff. So it's pretty easy. Worked out really good. Let us know if you're interested in it. I'll put some information on here, a phone number where you guys can get a hold of them, talk to them. And this is the first time we used it, and pretty happy we did buy this. We bought this at the full price. So, this wasn't a free promotion for us. It's just if anybody decides they want it, we do get $25 and you get to save $25 too. So, hey, something worth it if you've got motorcycles, cars, trailers, anything like that. That's kind of what sold it. It ended up being somebody was there that probably have sold a couple hundred of these, and he's an RVer. And he says every time he goes to a trailer park, RV park, he gets it out and cleans the trailer, and people can't believe there's no spots on his trailer. So, and he doesn't dry it or nothing. So pretty cool. You only need it for the rinsing, so you're not running that many gallons of water through it. So here's the information coming up right down here below.
Dishes. Yep.